cleaning part is done. Took about 10 minutes. Not so bad. All right, stay here, okay? This is it? Sure. Now, show me the actually, give me the Congo. Then tell me where. Na pato dogo legal eu machi. Na gosto muito não se lá. Lá fish. Lá fish. Lá fish good. Okay, shoot. Tá de shoot. Tirar shoot. So it is 12:08. As I told you, Namsala has a class at 12:30. It's about 5-6 minutes of drive, not too far. Literally zero visibility. This is where we have to go, up there. Hey sir, quick question. The kids, do they have piano classes today?
Oh yeah, she's here. Yeah, we're
okay.
in the class.
Okay, cool. See you then. Okay. Thank you. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Was that you who I spoke to over the phone?
Yeah, that was me.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you. Yeah, let's go.
Hello.
Hello.
Braving the elements. Oh my god.
Yeah, we just came. I thought about calling, but then I had to come over here to get. So I'm glad I came, actually. I'm gonna go down quickly, pick up something at Best Buy. Wow, this town looks like a ghost town. She was surprised when I came. So the item I have to pick up is this item. Okay, it's a lightning to SDMI, and it's at Best Buy. I ordered online, so I'm not going to enter the store.
How you doing?
Good, sir.
You just have the 4 digits?
That's 9119.
Yeah. Perfect.
That was easy. I want to try this out.
No problem.
Good, thank you, sir.
You're all set. You can get email receipt too, but you're all good.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you.
Return and everything has the same policy, right?
15 days.
15 days.
Unless you're a rewards member.
Right.
I mean, it's minimum 15 days.
15 days. I realized I think I made a mistake and I ordered the wrong item. That's not what it is. I wanted the one with the SDMI that connects the SDMI over here, and that the other end of the SDMI connects to the TV. Time to pick up Namsala. Power dogi. Army the Joes, no Zaga doing Sata Army. BTS ki term na army like that.
Yeah.
And she's rocking the new shoes.
Yeah.
No, that's how you make a heart, Pomo. Oh yeah. Yeah, more. I'm gonna let you play unlimited, okay? Pull up your jacket, Pomo.
Today it is Saturday currently, and it is 2:47.
Yeah.
We are right now driving our way into a park that we're gonna play in the snow. Today we have Tashi, Tiring Ukya, Tenzin Lawang Ukya, Lancy Selden Ukyab, Namsel Tara Ukyab. Currently we are going to a surprise park to play in the snow. So yeah, we'll just see how that goes. Bye.
Any recall?
I think we came with.
Oh, it's the one next to the sea.
We're gonna go downhill over here. There's a slope over here. You know that? Shoot up. Yeah. Are you ready now?
Yeah,
Okay. Folks, this is Astoria Park in Queens, of course. As you can see, right underneath the bridge over here. I thought we were gonna play over there, but it's not stiff enough. So my team is crossing this little hill over here. Shoot! Okay. Now that's where we're gonna go. That is a fun place to be. I know it's a bit cold, chilly. To be precise, it is -1 degree Fahrenheit. Ready, Mbe? Lagosima. Lagosima, Mbe. I love you.
I love you.
I love you all.
I love you all.
Okay. Give it there. Watch out! Is that fun? Ini mau saya mari bomo.
How can you use this?
Yeah. Come on. Take it up. Did you just say what? Tears are freezing?
Yeah.
How does that happen? This hill is not slanting enough. So we're gonna go to our next side of it, okay? Sure. Just be sure, Rola. Cover your head, okay? How's it?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready, Latani.
I'm ready.
Acha! I have one more seat over here and the passenger is struggling to get up here. Show! So far, how's it so far?
I can't feel my cheeks. There's snow in my eyes.
Yeah. That's okay.
I hear ringing in my ear.
Are you having fun though? That's more important.
Sure.
The dangerous part is when you come down from that hill and then you can land over here. It's dangerous. Look. You see that? We can continue. The problem is, Ajalamla, she says she cannot feel her cheek now.
It's gone.
Alright, I think we're gonna do 5 more minutes and then we'll go. Okay, Mama? Yeah? Okay. Where are your gloves? Okay. We're gonna call it off now. God, man, she wants to go, but no.
Mountain timer check. How's your day?
I think I'm not gonna deflate this. We'll probably play tomorrow. So should we call it a day? Let's call it a day. See what you have to do. left. Meet my crew. Kasa here. Ah, shavala sagia. Nini so you shavala sadesha. Slay guys.
Yeah.
Kasa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Subscribe.